Oh, hello student. So this is JEE Main 2021. It's a problem based on mass mechanics of solids. What question says? One time I'll read. Two wires of a same length and radius are joined end to end and loaded. The angst moduli of a materials of the two wires are y1 and y2. The combinations behaves as a single wire. Then its angst modulus is there are these are the options 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's talk about solutions of the questions. So in solution students again here I'll follow students to students that is I can say steps. So step one, first we have to categorize the questions and how can we frame. For this is what language of ABD. So first we have to draw ABD students. So now you can say this is ABD already mentioned the questions. Length and radius you can take both of the rods remain same only. So now students this is I'm considering rod 1, right? They what mentioned end to end connected. So now I'm going to connect another one. Right. So here students, I'm considering L is remains L for this rod. This rod also remains L. Her radius also same. I'm considering these all data according to question demand only. So now you can say this is what R only. But here student we wish to find angst modulus. So you can write for this one. This what? This is y1 student. This is you can say y2. Right, it's a highly recommend, highly important for those candidate who will be part of tomorrow exam or against coming JEE means examination. It's a highly important. So keep it in mind. I can say entire process for the question itself. So now you can see this is what because in the classroom as I discussed, this is based on series combinations. So what you can see students further students. So I'll use the formula. This is step one discussion finished. Now step two. So what's step 2 students? Here I'm going to use to tell you what is the formula of Young's modulus. It's stress upon strain. I can say all of you remember. So you can see this is what FL upon A into what? You can say delta L. I hope students everyone remember. Right. So what's the meaning student? That is very interesting here. They mention same load rate. Right. I can see. Where I mention I can say this is not same load rate. Sorry. It's loaded. Right. What's the same student? This to underline here for your better clarification. This is what same length students and radius. These factors you can say quantity remains constant only. So here you can write student these entire things because L is constants, R is also constants. Load remains same. You can take for this question solutions. You can write over here delta L nothing sir. It's what inversely proportional to what Young's modulus. Okay. Now step 2 finishes students. Now have a look. I can say this is for step 3 students. What you can say length remains same. So you can write L equivalent for entire rod student. This is nothing but it's you can say 2L. It's you can say what 2L. So now students here I'm going to use step 4 for the questions because we wish to find Young's modulus, that is I can say equivalent related to delta L. So here I'll write delta L equivalent. Right students, this is delta L1 plus this is what student delta L2. So delta L equivalent what you can write? You can say sir I can write L equivalent upon what students? This is Young's modulus equivalent, right? Then beta what you can say this is L upon by 1 plus L upon by 2. Simple student. L equivalent we already found in step 3. Now you can feed these values over here. You can say this is what 12 upon y equivalent which we wish to find. L upon this is y1 students. This is what by 2. Now you can say this L happy birthday each other. So you can finally say this is 2 upon by equivalent students 1 upon by 1 plus 1 upon by 2. Finally just to cross everything and this is step 5 which is only calculation. So students finally here you can see by equivalent this is you can see to just cross multiply and applying a formula of I can say a series a parallel combination of resistor not series twice of by 1 by 2 upon what students this is by 1 plus by 2 which is options number D. Stay tuned for this kind of video.